The product details and links to Amazon have been added in the video description and in the first comment. Hello dear! In this video you will see the best cleanser and disinfectant for contact lenses. But also how to proceed. However, first we see the opinions of some customers who have already used it.
Clear Care contact lens cleaning solution.
I have actually been using this product for quite a while now. Ever since it came out on the market, it comes in this really different kind of contact lens case.
There's an R for right and an L for left. So you choose the side, you just open it up. I'm gonna go ahead and take out my contact. Put my contact lens over the little dome that they have.
Then you run the contact solution a few seconds over each chamber to make sure that all of the contacts are cleared and stuff's kind of wiped off.
And then you just fill up to the fill line that you can see. Put the bottle back and put this in. You don't need to shake it or do anything else.
And you can actually see the bubbles coming up and cleaning the dirt and disinfecting.
It's that hydrogen peroxide that really helps to remove all that protein. After you've had your 6 hours up, you just take it out and insert your contacts like you normally do.
My whole contact wearing life has changed. Clear Care solution.
Remove and place each soft contact lens into the specially designed lens holder. Now close the cover, making sure not to pinch the lens. Rinse with Clear Care for 5 seconds. Notice the red tip on the bottle of solution. This is to remind you that Clear Care is not a multi-purpose solution and that it should never be put directly in your eyes or used to rinse your lenses directly before application. If you do, your eyes will burn and become irritated, and you certainly don't want that. Next, fill the lens case with Clear Care to the indicator line. Submerge the lenses in the case and twist the cap to close the lens case securely. Notice the bubbling action begins immediately. Allow the lenses to soak for at least 6 hours or overnight. This time is required to assure complete neutralization of the hydrogen peroxide. Do not remove the lenses before 6 hours, or you will likely experience redness, burning, and stinging if you try to apply your lenses. After 6 hours have passed, the solution will have been neutralized to a gentle saline, much like natural tears. Lenses may be stored in the unopened lens case for up to 7 days. When you are ready to wear your lenses, simply open the case and discard the now neutral solution. If desired, lenses can be rinsed with a sterile saline solution before applying. Rinse the lens cup with fresh saline or Clear Care and allow the case to air dry with the lens holder inverted outside the case. Do not rinse the lens case with water and do not place the lens holder on its side. Also, make sure to put away your Clear Care solution so that it is not accidentally mistaken as a multi-purpose solution by a guest or a family member.
Troubadour Ratings Channel will thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, give it a like. If you know someone who needs to see it, share it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts.